As we approach the festive season, it's easy to get swept up in the whirlwind of extravagant decorations and wasteful practices. However, an increasing number of people are choosing to embrace eco-friendly Christmas decorations, prioritizing sustainability without sacrificing style or spirit. Eco-friendly Christmas decorations are a fantastic way to celebrate the holidays while minimizing your environmental footprint. Whether you're looking to create a natural, rustic vibe or infuse some modern flair into your space, eco-friendly options can cater to every taste and style. Let's explore some creative and sustainable ideas that will brighten up your home and bring holiday cheer, all while being kind to the planet. One of the most iconic symbols of Christmas is the Christmas tree. Traditionally, people opt for fresh-cut trees or artificial ones, but both have their environmental drawbacks. A fresh-cut tree, though biodegradable, contributes to deforestation and carbon emissions from transportation. On the other hand, artificial trees, made from PVC plastic, may last longer but are not biodegradable and contribute to plastic waste. If you're looking to go more eco-friendly, consider alternatives like renting a living tree. Many tree farms offer rental services where they will deliver a potted, living tree to your home for the season, and then take it back to replant it after Christmas. This option helps reduce waste while keeping the beauty of a natural tree. Another idea is creating a tree from sustainable materials such as reclaimed wood, driftwood, or branches, which you can decorate in a way that's uniquely your own. If you prefer a traditional evergreen tree, you can also choose a locally sourced, organic tree. Many small farms offer sustainably grown trees without pesticides, which are a much more eco-friendly option compared to mass-produced ones. Once the holiday season is over, you can compost the tree, creating minimal waste. Decorating your tree in an eco-conscious way can also make a big difference. Use biodegradable ornaments, such as those made from wood, fabric, or even dried fruits. You can even craft your own ornaments from recycled materials like cardboard, old magazine pages, or glass jars. These sustainable options bring a personal touch and reduce waste. If these eco-friendly Christmas decoration ideas inspired you to make your holiday season a little greener, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who are looking to decorate sustainably this year. When it comes to Christmas decorations, lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood and creating a magical atmosphere. However, traditional Christmas lights can contribute to a significant amount of energy consumption and, ultimately, environmental harm. The good news is, there are eco-friendly alternatives that can help light up your home without negatively impacting the environment. Switching to LED lights is one of the simplest ways to reduce energy consumption. LED lights use up to 90% less energy compared to traditional incandescent bulbs and have a much longer lifespan. This makes them not only environmentally friendly but also cost-effective. Many LED lights come in a variety of colors and styles, so you can still achieve the festive look you desire. Another option is solar-powered Christmas lights. These lights are powered entirely by the sun, meaning they don't rely on electricity at all. They're perfect for decorating the outdoors and require little to no maintenance. Place them in an area where they can absorb sunlight during the day, and they'll shine brightly through the night without using any energy from the grid. For an even more eco-conscious approach, consider using natural light sources such as candles. Beeswax or soy candles are great alternatives to regular paraffin candles and are made from renewable resources. You can incorporate these into your decor to add warmth and a cozy glow to your home. Just be sure to use them safely and responsibly, keeping them away from anything flammable. Which eco-friendly decorating idea are you most excited to try this Christmas? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're making your holiday season more sustainable. One of the most sustainable ways to decorate for Christmas is by repurposing or upcycling items you already have around your home. Instead of buying new decorations, try giving old items a new life by turning them into something festive. This not only reduces waste but also adds a personal and creative touch to your holiday decor. For example, old sweaters or fabric scraps can be turned into handmade wreaths or garlands. By cutting the fabric into strips and weaving them together, you can create a rustic yet stylish addition to your home. Or, use vintage ornaments and repurpose them into something new. An old mason jar can become a charming snow globe, and broken glass ornaments can be transformed into beautiful mosaic decorations. Upcycling can also be a fun family activity. Gather your kids or friends to create homemade ornaments from discarded materials like pinecones, buttons, or wine corks. Not only is this a sustainable choice, but it also creates lasting memories and traditions. You can also create your own advent calendar by reusing old cardboard boxes or containers, filling them with small, thoughtful treats or messages. When it comes to gift wrapping, ditch the single-use wrapping paper in favor of alternatives like reusable fabric gift bags, newspaper, or even old maps. You can also make your own wrapping paper by using recycled brown paper or cloth scraps, which can be customized with stamps, paint, or other creative elements. For more green holiday decorating tips and sustainable living ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our latest eco-friendly videos. The holiday dinner table is often the centerpiece of Christmas celebrations. Why not make it eco-friendly by using reusable tableware, cloth napkins, and natural materials for decoration? This helps reduce waste while still adding a beautiful and festive touch to your dining experience. Start with a simple, sustainable table setting. Opt for ceramic or glass plates and bowls instead of disposable paper or plastic ones. If you don't already own enough tableware, consider purchasing secondhand dishes or those made from sustainable materials like bamboo or recycled glass. These options are durable, reusable, and far better for the environment than their disposable counterparts. Cloth napkins are another great addition to your eco-friendly holiday table. They are easy to clean and can be reused year after year. You can even personalize them by adding a festive touch with embroidery or natural dyes. Additionally, using real glasses and silverware instead of disposable items will not only cut down on waste but also add a touch of elegance to your gathering. For centerpieces, consider using items that are both beautiful and sustainable. Natural elements like pine cones, branches, and dried flowers make lovely arrangements that can be composted after use. You could also fill mason jars with fresh herbs, creating a fragrant and eco-friendly centerpiece. And don't forget about candles. Opt for soy or beeswax candles, which are better for the environment than traditional paraffin candles. Check out our Christmas Decor playlist for more sustainable decorating ideas, from upcycled crafts to eco-conscious decor that will help you make a positive impact on the planet this holiday season. The holiday dinner table is often the centerpiece of Christmas celebrations. Why not make it eco-friendly by using reusable tableware, cloth napkins, and natural materials for decoration? This helps reduce waste while still adding a beautiful and festive touch to your dining experience. Start with a simple, sustainable table setting. Opt for ceramic or glass plates and bowls instead of disposable paper or plastic ones. If you don't already own enough tableware, consider purchasing secondhand dishes or those made from sustainable materials like bamboo or recycled glass. These options are durable, reusable, and far better for the environment than their disposable counterparts. Cloth napkins are another great addition to your eco-friendly holiday table. They are easy to clean and can be reused year after year. You can even personalize them by adding a festive touch with embroidery or natural dyes. Additionally, using real glasses and silverware instead of disposable items will not only cut down on waste but also add a touch of elegance to your gathering. For centerpieces, consider using items that are both beautiful and sustainable. Natural elements like pine cones, branches, and dried flowers make lovely arrangements that can be composted after use. You could also fill mason jars with fresh herbs, creating a fragrant and eco-friendly centerpiece. Want to make your holiday decorating more eco-friendly? Head to the description for links to the sustainable products and materials featured in today's video. And don't forget about candles. Opt for soy or beeswax candles, which are better for the environment than traditional paraffin candles. As you embrace these eco-friendly Christmas decoration ideas, you'll not only be creating a beautiful home but also contributing to a healthier planet. Remember, every small action counts when it comes to sustainability. By making mindful choices, you're setting the stage for a greener, more conscious future. Let's make this season one that celebrates both the joy of the holidays and our responsibility to the earth. Enjoy creating your sustainable Christmas wonderland, and know that your efforts make a difference. Here's to a festive season filled with love, laughter, and environmental care.